This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Phillip Pierce. Have you been looking for a quiet, level, low maintenance, secluded home? Maybe something close to the Granada Golf Course? Well, you're in luck. And with a 3-car garage, you may finally have an excuse to splurge on that new vehicle, but at least the patio is covered if you wind up in the doghouse. Hardwood floors, granite counters, crown molding, jetted tub, a fenced-in backyard, pantry, textured ceilings and walls, arched entries. This house has a lot to offer. Come see it today. Agent C remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Pierce at 501-762-6388.